now configure the Maven and Java. So configure the Maven and Java. Yeah. So plugins we install, right? Then we can, so we can go to the, configure tools, then locations. Yeah. So Maven configuration, right? So Maven configuration. The Maven configuration, we need to set up the path, the path of the file. So in the Java, so add JDK name. So what is the JDK name for our you guys? So this is the user lib. So this is our JDK. This is our JDK. Yeah, name equal to Java 11. For example, Java 11 we installed. The home is, so this is the home, guys. What this is? This is a home. Okay. Save JDK directory, tools and configurations. Yeah, here we already. Java 11 end of the life in Jenkins. You are running Jenkins on Java 11, support for which will end of the September 30, 24. So refer to the documentation. Okay, Java 11 is now available, right? No worries. So JDK installations. So JDK JVM Maven installations, right? Add Maven, name of the Maven 3.8.8. We installed the 3.8.8. Then Maven home. Maven. Yeah, version on the Maven home. So installer, nothing. Maven home is not set, right? Install automatically. Maven home is not set, right? System tools. Git JDK, right? Installations of JDK. Yes, we used JDK. Installation of Maven. Yeah, Maven done. Apply. Yeah. So now go to dashboard. So new item. So what is that, guys? First Maven project. The name is First Maven project. So it's a freestyle project. So it's a Maven project. Build a Maven project. Jenkins advanced to POM files. Test and reduce configurations. Yeah, we already discussed, right? Freestyle projects. First Maven project. Why it is not selecting? Okay. Yeah. In the description, we're not providing anything. First Maven project. So GitHub, Bitbucket, Git, build environment, build setup, add build setup. Maven, right? So delete workspace, add a build environment, build steps. So we executed first Maven project, the Maven project one. It is Maven project. Okay. I think not. This is poll SCM. Poll SCM. Delete the use the secrets. Add timestamps. Terminate. Add a pre-build setup. So we don't need run without time. Set a build status pending commit. pom.xml. Run email notification. Save. Yeah, build now. So it is getting the error. So started by admin, running admin workspace. First Maven project. Unpacking the zip where tools Maven Jenkins. Error no such file or perhaps you need to specify the correct POM file path project configuration. Yes, guys, we need to set the path for the POM configuration. So files. We need to go to the workspace. First, we need to go to the workspace, guys. Duplicate session. ec2-user sudo su. Yeah. First, we need to go to the path cd where lib. So cd where lib Jenkins and workspace. Yeah. So first Maven project. So pull GitHub code. Right. We have a pull GitHub code. cd first Maven project one. So ls ll There is no file, right? Docker file, pom.xml, redeploy.ml, rep data service server, data app server. So go to the project, first Maven project, hello world.java, right? Yeah, 1 second, guys. The project is hello world Java. Hello world Java, Java havings. So right, I want to copy this path code sh https copy. Yeah, we need to set the first moment project. So yeah, so what can we do? We do git moment project, right? Git clone. Guys, we'll show you this later. So git clone ls, yeah, hello world.java, cd hello world.java. So these are the documents. First Maven project, ls workspace, hello world Java, hello world Java. First cd first Maven project. So go to Maven project. We don't need this cd dot ls. Uh, Move hello world Java to slash opt where lib Jenkins workspace ls cd dot ls cd hello world Java copy star where lib Jenkins workspace. Oopsies. Workspace. Where is that, guys? Workspace. First moment project. cp-r recursively cd dot ls cd first moment project. Now, yes, guys. So now we have the files. So we have the files cd web app, the web app, pom.xml, src and target. So src and target. So where is the target? Target Maven archivers, Sapphire web app, web app.where. So target there is no, right? cd ls cd ls hello world pom.xml rm-rf pom.xml. Yeah, guys. First Maven project. So there is a word web app. The web app. Yeah, we need to convert this, right? Yeah. So we need to create the target file, right? So we need to provide the path. In the path, why it is not adding? First Maven project one. So first Maven project, build now. Console output. Building works first name finish. Yeah, now it getting ls cd web app src cd src cd main cd web app. So we need a web app src target folder, guys. I'm not getting the target folder. Build is success, right? The first Maven project. Okay. cd dot cd var lib Jenkins cd workspace, the workspace, right? ls cd first Maven project. We need to set the git also, right? Configure source code management git. So repository URL. We need to provide the repository URL. What is that, guys? So this is the repository URL. Branches to build master browser. Trigger builds remotely. Build after the project build periodically. GitHub poll SSEM. Delete the workspace before build starts. Admin inspector Winant. Add a build step, guys. Yeah. Post build actions. Yeah, build now. So cloning the repository. Git timeout wall.git. So git fetch. The revision master. Git config. Git checkout. Update form first moment build skipping. Change and log. Yeah, we got right. So we need a target file, right, guys? Once we get the target file, so then we will deploy. So in the target file, this is the project, for example. So in this project, we need